So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your website in Google Search Console using Google Tag Manager. So firstly, go to Google Search Console and click Add Property. Choose URL prefix and enter the full URL of your website. Click Continue, and then on the verification screen, expand Google Tag Manager. Google will show you the requirements for using Tag Manager is to verify your website. Make sure Google Tag Manager is already installed on your website, that you have required permissions. If everything's set up correctly, click Verify. Now Google will check your Tag Manager setup. Once verification succeeds, your website will be connected to GSC, and that's it. You can now use Google Search Console to monitor your website's search performance, indexing, and visibility. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.